BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video that the Edge web browser has received another update. Now, this is not the security fixes that are rolling out to the Chromium platform, so don't confuse it with that. Edge hasn't received the Chromium security updates yet. We are still expecting those to roll out. This is a maintenance update, which Microsoft is known to roll out between major version upgrades of the browser. Now, this is the 4th point release bug and performance issue fix update that Microsoft has rolled out since the release of version 109. So clearly a couple of issues that they are trying to resolve in this latest stable release. Now, over and above bugs and performance issues that have been fixed, I've had a quick look around the browser after updating like I always do, and I haven't noticed any new features or any major changes. So clearly just a routine maintenance update, and if you have experienced any issues while using Edge, just double check it's up to date. And you can do this by heading to your menu as always, clicking on help and feedback about Microsoft Edge, and this process will update your browser, and that will be to version 109.0.1518.69. and as always, it's just a point release. We've been bumped up from 0.61 to 0.69 in this latest bug and performance issue fix update. And as soon as the security fixes, those important security fixes roll out from the Chromium platform, I will post and let you know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.